Imagine a world where cars were a luxury only the wealthy could afford, until one man decided to change everything. This is the story of Henry Ford and how he revolutionized the way we drive, work, and live. From the Model T to the Mustang, Ford hasn't just made cars, it's changed the course of history. Today, we'll explore how Ford transformed transportation, manufacturing, and even the modern workplace. Henry Ford founded the Ford Motor Company in 1903 with a simple but ambitious goal: make cars affordable for everyone. At a time when automobiles were expensive and rare, Ford believed that ordinary people deserved mobility. In 1908, the Model T was introduced. Durable, easy to drive, and affordable, it was the car that put America on wheels. But the real game changer, the assembly line. In 1913, Ford implemented the moving assembly line, cutting production time from 12 hours to just 90 minutes per car. Cars became cheaper, factory jobs became steadier, and industrial productivity soared. Ford didn't just change cars, he changed work itself. In 1914, he introduced the $5 workday, more than double the average wage. This wasn't just generosity, it was smart business. Better pay meant happier, more productive workers, and it fueled a new middle class. Ford continued to innovate. The Mustang became a cultural icon. The F-Series trucks dominated the market. And today, Ford is leading the charge into electric vehicles. Each innovation shows the same principle: make transportation accessible, practical, and exciting. Ford's influence isn't just in America. By pioneering mass production and affordable vehicles, Ford reshaped cities, commerce, and mobility worldwide. From the bustling streets of Detroit to emerging cities across the globe, Ford changed how people move and connect. From the Model T to electric trucks, Ford's story is a story of innovation, vision, and determination. It's proof that one company can change the world one car at a time. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, hit like, subscribe, and let us know, which Ford car would you love to drive?